Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Back on the market is this dream home that awaits you. Located in the picturesque community of Mount Nelson, Mandeville, this 7-bedroom, 7-bathroom house on approximately 25,325 square feet gently slopes upwards with a magnificent stone wall encircling the perimeter. The yard features concrete pavers, well-manicured lawn, fruit trees, and gardens along with a swimming pool to the rear of the property. The first floor comprises of the kitchen, dining room, living room, laundry room, powder room, bedroom with ensuite bathroom and 4-car garage. The second floor comprises the master bedroom with a raised platform, an ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet, plus 4 other bedrooms, all with immaculately kept hardwood floors, a study, TV room, and front patio. Outside, you can relax by the pool and entertainment area as you overlook the surrounding areas. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this house is Jamaican 130 million or US $844,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.